Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Netspend account using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the web address bar that appears at the very top, type in www.netspend.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official webpage of Netspend, which looks like this. Netspend is a global payment company and is a registered agent of the Bancorp Bank, Meta Bank, NA and Republic Bank and Trust Company. If you'd like to create a new account for Netspend, you can go ahead and fill up the form that says sign up now in the right hand side, or you can also click on sign up now button in the upper right hand corner. You'll need to go ahead and enter your information into the text boxes that appears on the next page. Start off with your first name and then head over to the next field where it says last name and type in your last name next. Now enter your street address or your apartment number and enter your zip code on the next. Finally, enter a valid email address on the next field. Make sure to enter the email address that you have an access to and type in your date of birth information next. Enter your birthday month, day, and year, and finally type in your social security number next. Once you're done typing in your social security number, choose which one of the following payments would you like to receive with direct deposits. If you scroll a bit down, you'll get to choose your card for your Netspend. Once you confirm your card and click on it, click on by checking this box. I confirm I have read and agree to the terms and conditions of cardholder agreement and the issuing bank's privacy policy. You can click on this box beneath to review the fees associated with your prepaid card. Go through and review the fees and finally click on I've reviewed the fees. Click on Get My Card beneath and simply follow the on-screen prompts on the next page and then you'll be able to create a new account for Netspend. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.